There you alright, this is a review of this microphone, a double one. It was supposed to come with a couple of fur balls that sat on top. It didn't. It cost £8 odd without them. I got a 50% discount. So I used it to buy the fur ball. That cost £2.08, but it says on it. Bit of stretchy material there, that's all it is, so it just sits inside it. That plugs in at the bottom of your phone. See? Go on your video, down, click for the external mic. Don't need to do all that. There's your charger. See, you get two of these. What I had to do, got to clip onto the shirt. There's your microphone. Just put it inside so it sits in with that clipper there at the bottom. See that? Clips on your shirt, clips on your t-shirt, whatever. Stays inside. And this is the video with this furball in gale force wind, head on. I don't mess about when I do a test. Have a look yourself. Right, we're under the tree now. You should be able to pick these trees up, blowing it wind with leaves there. 30 to 40 mile an hour wind, directly at the camera. Should be able to trees, but not the windy. Yeah, windy. Can't beat greenery, can you? Look at all that green there. Bit of mist over yonder. How many miles away do you think that is? Oh, with camera it makes you look a lot further away than it actually is. It's only about what? 2.5 miles, that. Bit of a mist. Look at the view here. Camera makes it look even better. No, it can't actually. Your eyes are better than looking in camera, but a lovely quality picture, that. Listen, that warbler. Hear it? On that tree over there, that edge. See, camera moving, wind's that strong. And I go like that. See, you can hear that bird. I'll get a bit close in case you can't hear it. Be a warbler, that. Yeah, crows and rooks. It's in this big tree, actually. There's a few deer there. Good view here. Barley field waving away. A couple of wood pigeons up there. Scared them off. Much movement there on that barley field. Oh, yeah. Look at that wave in there. Look at that wave in here. It's always happy to see me this field of barley. Always waves, you know. Right into headwind here. This is a proper test for this microphone, alright. Wind's blowing directly to camera, 35 plus miles an hour in a blue, gloriously blue day then. Blue day. Good view here. You see view here? Yeah, blue and green. That's what you want to be seeing here, alright. Close by these plants, you can see how much wind's blowing about. I use it mic on phone, it'll just be see to the horizon here. Right. Hey, there's a deer there. You see it there? I don't have to zoom in very well, but it's there. Singular deer there. 35 mph plus winds there. Must be another one knocking about. Must be another one knocking about. Good sky here. Look at it. Look at that. What it's all about. Fresh air. Really warm. Must be 22 when that wind drops off. It's not really that cool in either. Not much of a chill in it. Do with that today, no doubt about that. You still see deer over there. Got me wrong holder here. Using hand just to test mic. See how windy it is. Oh, in there. Bit of a swallow. There's there, look. A little dot. Goldfinch. Farmers putting the old manure down on fields. Really smell that. Some maize there, look. See maize in there? That'll be cattle feed maize.